Hello, everyone. As promised, today I'm going to talk to you about what I found in Obadiah. What I found was Obadiah 1:15 to 1:18. It's a long paragraph, but after I read it out, I'll explain it as best I can, especially for those who are new to this and want to learn. Okay. Before I go into it, I just want to let you all know that the real name of our Creator and Father is Yahuah. No other name. That's why he's so specific about it. That's why he keeps saying it over and over and over again, especially in the Yah scriptures, which you need to actually follow, because that's what I use, for one. And for two, that's his actual name. So let's begin. For the day of Yahuah is near up on all the Gentiles. As you have done, it shall be done to you. Your reward shall come back on your own head. For as you have drunk on my Kodesh mountain, so do all the Gentiles drink continually. And they shall drink and shall swallow, and they shall be as though they have never been. But on Mount Zion there shall be a remnant, and they shall be Kodesh. And the house of Jacob shall possess their possessions, and the house of Jacob shall be a fire, and the house of Joseph a flame. But the house of Esau for stubble, and they shall burn among them, and they shall consume them, so that no survivor is left of the house of Esau. For Yahuah has spoken. Obadiah 1:15 to 1:18. Now, back in the day, the Gentiles that they're talking about are the Gentiles of Esau, the ones that rebelled against Yahuah from the beginning. Esau is and was the big brother to Jacob. Okay? They were a rebellious and reckless nation. And for a long while, Yahuah didn't punish them. But now he did. And it was literally because of their wickedness. Wickedness was given to them because of their wickedness. Because it says right here, as you have done, it shall be done to you. This is where it talks about do unto others as you wish to be done unto you. This is where it comes from. Obadiah 1:15 to 1:18. It's said differently in many different ways, in many different renditions. But the one I'm reading from is called the Yahuah Scriptures, which is YAH Scriptures. It's an app on Google if you want to follow along. Okay? And the drink that he's talking about is the cup of wrath that Yahuah bestows on those who are wicked. Okay? And the only way you are not wicked is if you follow the laws, the Torah, what Yahuah has laid down, the commandments, not just the 10, all of them. Okay? This is why it's important, if you haven't done so now, to go back after this and follow me from Follow me from Genesis all the way up to Obadiah. Now, this is a playlist, so if you want, you can do it that way. But I do recommend, beyond all reason, that you read it yourself, because faith without works is dead. You can have faith, but if you don't do the work, it's dead. Okay? And later on, I will show you where that scripture is from. I haven't gotten there yet, because I'm reading from the beginning. So, again, to recap everything, his people, meaning Jacob and Joseph, the people of Yehudah and Israel, will have their possessions, and this people is his kadosh people, his holy people, the people who follow after his after lawfulness. Sorry, my bad. I kept on doing it. Sorry for being all over the place. But, as you have done, it shall be done to you. Your reward shall come back on your own head. Meaning, your reward of good or reward of evil. Meaning, and essentially, modern day age, your reward or your consequence. So be mindful. Bye.